A surprising way to control the unit is through contact closures. I say surprising because in this day and age of TCP/IP and serial, it's an amazing thing that there are so many uses where contact closures are the connection that actually works for customers. So from the very beginning, we've provided pretty detailed GPI control of the AERO.air. Things that can be controlled include turning upmixing on and off or to auto mode, selecting presets. There are several different things. Inserting EAS, the Emergency Alert System audio. Setup is actually pretty simple. From the main menu, go down to System Options, and then all the way down at the bottom is GPI Setup. At the very top is a checkbox called GPI Enable. If you check that box, you can see the message that says GPI active, changes not allowed. The idea is set the GPIs first and then set it to active. This will not let you actually get to anything else in the menu while it's active. So going down to GPI-A, that can be set to upmix left front, right front, off/on. So the way GPI works is it's no contact closure slash contact closure. So with a contact closure, the second part of that function takes place. So off/on means no contact closure, it's off, contact closure, it's on. Once you set it to where you want it, you can enable GPI. One other important thing, there are 4 parallel GPI inputs. There's also a GPI-M, which is for metadata. You can actually use certain metadata parameters to control GPIs. This is useful, for example, if metadata is indicating that the audio is 2 channels and you want to upmix it. So, once again, set GPI-M to left front, right front, upmix, off/on, and then you can decide exactly what the metadata is going to control. So, if metadata is 2 channels, activate GPI-M. If metadata fails, what should we do? The suggested setting is to deactivate the GPI function. You wouldn't want metadata to fail and leave upmixing on in case the content switch back to 5.1. Once you've made those settings and you are ready to enable it, you can then press the next key. Now I've purposefully kept 2 set to the same thing. In this case, GPI-A and metadata can be set to the same thing, but if you look down at GPI-B, if I try to set that to the same and enable it, it's going to warn you and say GPIs must be set to different values. You can't control the same thing with 2 inputs. So GPI-B can be something else. Let's use it to select the local input, for example. Now everybody's set to something different. GPIs are active and the box is under GPI control.